Well, Rambler Rogue here. That was pretty much the craziest windstorm I've ever driven through. That was from Eddie's Corner, Montana. Well, Eddie's Corner is that truck stop I had brunch at and had a shower at. Got gas, and then that's in a place called Moore, Montana. And then, so that state highway down to here, this is like by, I think, a place called Holmorden. That was crazy. We were going about 10 to 15 kilometers an hour. Luckily, I was following a semi-truck, a bread truck, in fact, and sometimes I could barely even see him right in front of me. That was nuts. So the next town down is Billings, Montana. I wish I could make it down there tonight at least. This is a slow trip for sure. But I think it's smart to just wait. I'm gonna wait it out. I don't know if I'm gonna go into town or just stay here at this very nice rest stop. Still deciding. But yeah, I survived. I was honestly not sure if I'd make it. There was definitely some people that drove off the road they could not see, and wound up on the side of the road, and they're sitting there right now, I bet. Just madness. Check it out. You can't really see the wind going by, but I was just outside, and that is a heavy wind. Thank heavens that the snow didn't start yet. If the snow had started, then this wind plus snow, I don't know what the heck what people would do except for maybe just sit there stationary on the highway. I really don't know. Well, I've survived. I was sending some last wishes to some of my friends. Alright, signing off. Rambler Rogue.